everybody, welcome back to another Quick Games video, and today I'm going to be teaching you what Typedef is, and it's really simple. This is going to be a really short tutorial. Basically, it just lets you define an already existing type to be a name of your choice. So let's say I make a C string, like constant char my text, and we make it equal to cool text. And we go ahead and print this text. So this code will work. There we go, put a semicolon. And we see cool text. But what if we don't want to write constant char every single time? So up here we can say typedef constant char, and we can name it whatever we want. I'll just call it string, and I know it's probably bad practice to name it something like that. But now what we can do is type in string instead of constant char, and when we run the program, it still runs the exact same. We can do this with any data type. We can do this with, let's see, do int. We'll say int name, something like that. My int name equals 1. You can see it works. So one big reason why this would be helpful for you is, for example, in an Unreal Engine, there's a lot of different data types. For example, int32 is, if you're coming from Unity and C#, you might just want to use default int. So in Unreal Engine, usually you'd have int32, right? And then, well, if you just want to name it int, I'm actually not sure if that'd work. Yeah, I don't think it works as just default int, but like, yeah, you can. It's very helpful if you want to rename complex data types to something more simpler. But yeah, that's cool. In C, you have to do this with structs, or else you won't be able to use it at all. Like, if you make a struct, I'll just name it vector2, x, y. So in C++, you can just say vector2 vector.x equals 1.0 vector y equals 2. Okay, and then we can just print out the vector.x, vector.y, and something in between, like that. So that'll work. It'll print out 1 and 2 with separated by a comma, but in C this actually won't work because it doesn't understand this as a type. So what we need to do is say typedef, and that'll work in C. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and peace.